The Sony Xperia VIII is Sony's flagship smartphone for 2026, officially scheduled to be unveiled at the global launch event on tomorrow. The phone adopts a prominent, wide square-shaped camera module on the upper left back panel, resembling a layout closer to modern mainstream flagships. Available in graphite black, ionized silver, and garnet red colors, Sony is bringing 16mm ultra-wide, 24mm main, and 70mm telephoto sensors. The telephoto is allegedly between 1/3.0 inch and 1/2.0 inch in size. Sony is staying true to its heritage with a tall and narrow 6.5 inch OLED screen with the usual top and bottom bezels. The phone is also retaining its 3.5mm headphone jack as previously confirmed by FCC listings. Sony's top-tier flagship is expected to start upwards of €1,800 in Germany and £1,700 in the UK. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.